guys, today I'm gonna make up, so since we don't have any makeup, I will use my makeup toys because I can't use real makeup right now. So this one's my mom's and this one was mine. So look what this is, a mess. So I just gotta do it. So let's start with blush. Oh no, I cannot see a bit, so I'm just using my mom's Bible. Alright, I can see a bit now. I need more and more. Now that's better. Oh, I think we will need some eyeshadow at first. Mama, can you help me? All right. So we will need some of this blush. Oh. Right. I think that's a little bit good. I'm gonna put some more. Alright, good. And now I would need some light blue. Now I would need lots of pink and some blue. That make it more prettier. Alright, now I would need some blue and pink. Nice. So guys, so now I would need some blush to make it nice. I need some blush. Blush it up, blush it up, blush it up. Now we will put it here. Now we will need this one, so I'm just gonna put it all over my face. So I need to make it more to see it good. Now I would need some lip gloss. With some glitter. So look at me, I look so nice. Now I would need, I think I would need some glitter, more glitter or something. So it's gonna be a surprise. I need to put the glitter. Do. I got glitter. 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 Now put it on. Now we will need some more blush because I didn't do it good. So, more blush. I need more blush because of the other one that spread it out. I would look, and it looks so nice. So we want it to be so beautiful. So we gotta take off this thing. Oh, so I gotta fix my hair. So I would need my sister's scrunchie, but she always don't let me use her things. So I'm gonna get some. Oh my! I'm gonna go get something like this to make it nicer. Glitz and a glit. Now guys, try this one and it's gonna be really nice. So pop and a pop. Make it so glittery. So my mom is filling this for me. Oh. So say hi, Mommy. Hi.
Hi.
She's really shy. Say like hi. She's doing this. So I'll make a heart in my forehead. So I think this is gonna be the funny part. So I'm just gonna wait. What do you need? What do you need?
You're not done with your makeup?
I'm not done yet. See?
Your hairstyle.
Oh, we need hairstyle.
I don't know. Okay, bye-bye now.
No, wait.
No
Guys,
more
I need
now.
to get something for
Bye
hairstyle.
now.
Wait, guys, I need something for the eyeshadow to make it nicer. I need to remember for my birthday. Oh my. Right. I will need this. Now. Need some nice one. Now we need some more, guys. Now I would need more. So guys, see you in my next videos, and hit the bell button and a thumbs up. Bye.